चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And the big story we've been tracking here on Republic TV, the Pune Porsche cover-up. More and more details coming out. Ladies and gentlemen, Ajit Pawar. Last evening on Republic, Arnab confronted the Pune Police Commissioner on Ajit Pawar and him. The calls between Amitesh Kumar, the Pune Police Commissioner, and him. And Ajit Pawar has dashed off to Pune. Ajit Pawar is trying to take over the investigation. Ajit Pawar met the Pune Police Commissioner early morning. Early morning between the Pune Police Commissioner and Ajit Pawar. Is he now trying to run a parallel investigation? He's not even, technically he can't even say that he's taking an update on the investigation. He has absolutely no locus standi to do that. He's not the Home Minister. The Home Minister of Maharashtra is Devendra Fadnavis. Devendra Fadnavis is the Home Minister, but Ajit Pawar seems to be running a parallel investigation and completely taking over the investigation. We tried to question Ajit Pawar on why he's taking a personal interest in the case. Ajit Pawar, confrontation. Take a look.
लेकर के सवाल उठा, सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे।
And last evening on Republic TV, we broke about the three-car convoy. It wasn't just one car, it wasn't just two cars, it was a three-supercar convoy. Three-supercar convoy that was at the scene. One car killed Anish and Ashwini. One car killed Anish and Ashwini. We are hearing the 9 to 10 friends of the Superbrat were in the Cozy Club. A Porsche, BMW and Audi were in the three-car convoy. Porsche, Audi and BMW, three cars. But it was a Porsche that hit Anish and Ashwini, killing them on the spot. What about the other two cars? The mystery around the BMW and Audi gets deeper because if you continue this graphics a little bit, there are more pointers on this. We have more details of who else was in the car. It appears that there were more friends, including a female friend of the Superbrat. The Porsche was directly involved. There were two supercars that moved ahead. The two supercars reportedly moved ahead about 500 meters and stopped. So they were involved. People were missing from the scene. They went and stopped ahead. BMW and Audi stopped about 500 meters from the killing site. We are hearing that the Superbrat's female friend was in a second car, was in either the BMW or the Audi. Now what is very, very, very curious is the role of others in this particular case, because we are hearing that some who escaped in other cars, and those cars have been seized as well and have now been placed at the Yerwada police station. We have more details of that coming in. But a three-car convoy mystery also being reported on Republic TV, a female friend also present, an MLA's son. Who was the MLA? Was the MLA's son in the same car? Was the MLA's son in the second car? Was the MLA's son in the third car? And is that why an MLA called Tingre also reached the police station immediately and also went back the next morning? This is the mystery right now in the Pune Porsche cover-up. And let's also tell you that we tried speaking to Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar has dashed off to Pune as we reported, ladies and gentlemen. Ajit Pawar has dashed off to Pune. He's holding an official meeting. He first held a secret meeting this morning with the Pune Police Commissioner, Amitesh Kumar, who denied being in constant touch. But Amitesh Kumar, the Pune Police Commissioner, met Ajit Pawar in what was otherwise a secret meeting this morning. And then there is an official meeting between Ajit Pawar and the Pune Police Commissioner slated for later this evening. They're officially meeting as well. And in the middle of this, you have Sunil Tingre, who was missing, suddenly reappear. Sunil Tingre has come back to Pune, and he too is likely to meet Ajit Pawar. We are hearing that Ajit Pawar has spoken to Sunil Tingre. That's the next breaking. In fact, let me put out that breaking right now. We have breaking news coming in that Sunil Tingre has spoken to Ajit Pawar. Ajit Pawar has just dialed Sunil Tingre. It's a Republic TV exclusive. I'm getting in those details right now, and we're going to break those details. Before we do that, let's play out the Ajit Pawar confrontation once again. What Ajit Pawar said when we asked him about Sunil Tingre. This is what Ajit Pawar said, not taking the question. Look at him, sits, rolls up the window, pretends like nothing happened, he didn't hear a word, continues.
सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे। सुनील टिंगरे को लेकर के सवाल उठाए जा रहे हैं, उसको लेकर के क्या कुछ कहेंगे? सुनील टिंगरे पुलिस स्टेशन में मौजूद थे।
Getting in some more breaking news updates. Ajit Pawar has just dialed Sunil Tingre once again. He's just dialed Sunil Tingre, and Sunil Tingre has given the full details. Reportedly, Sunil Tingre is in constant touch. NCP MLA, NCP role becomes even more curious after this. NCP MLA Sunil Tingre gives details. Hotline in the NCP over the Pune Posha cover-up. Are they trying to hide something very, very desperately? Sandeep is joining me live. Let me go across to him. Sandeep, just hearing that Ajit Pawar has spoken to Sunil Tingre once again, right? Something is very, very curious. Where is Ajit Pawar right now? What is going on?
Right. Niranjan, yes, this is what we are hearing from our sources, and I would request my VJ Sunny to show you the visuals. This is the bungalow wherein Ajit Pawar is out here in Pune. This is what we are hearing, that Ajit Pawar has in fact dialed Sunil Tingre and had taken out the whole briefing of what happened at that very point in time, and regarding the whole case, he had just dialed Sunil Tingre. That is what we are hearing. But ultimately, what is the course of conversation? What exactly they talked about? That is not something known. Remember, at this point in time, Niranjan, Sunil Tingre is still missing. Why is he missing from his old Pune's residence, and where is he right now? The question out there is, remember, yesterday, Pune Police Commissioner said that, Ajit Pawar had dialed him on the next day of the incident. The biggest question out here that we are asking, Niranjan, that what was talked about? Why did Ajit Pawar called him? Did Ajit Pawar influenced the case? Was he wanting to save Sunil Tingre? Why did Sunil Tingre is not being summoned yet by Pune Police Commissioner yet? Why is Crime Branch mum on Sunil Tingre? Why there are no searches being carried out at the residences of Sunil Tingre and the locations? Remember, the kind of role that Tingre had played it creates a lot of doubt and suspicion. But despite all the facts and evidences, Sunil Tingre is still on the run, and no one is in fact in the mood, or in fact Pune police is not in the mood to in fact send a notice to Sunil Tingre and ask him to come for the questioning. Niranjan.
Going across to Priyanka as well. Priyanka, what do we know about this MLA's son? This MLA's son and a female friend, more details that came in, right? Who was in which car? Was the MLA's son also in the Porsche? And which MLA was it? Was it Tingre's son?
Well, that's what the primary eyewitnesses and some sources also confirm of how Tingre's son, in fact, had been present at the Cozy and the Black Club, where, in fact, these around 20 to 25 people, in fact, had been present where the farewell party was going on, out of which were these 10 group of 10 juvenile delinquents as well. And we are looking at those series of events on the intervening night of 18th and 19th being confirmed by various sources. In fact, even eyewitnesses who were being, who were being stopped from coming out in the media by the police as well. In fact, there was a lot of pressure that was also being mounted on these eyewitnesses who have come out and stated so, and that is why they were not willing to come on camera as well. But there are people who have placed, Sunil Tingre's son, who had been present at the party and had also been present in one of the 3 cars that had left from the Black Club. We are, of course, also getting details of what had went on in the club and post the accident as well. But we are getting the understanding of how the damage control is also being done by Ajit Pawar, who is right now in Pune, and how essentially the lapses that we are also exposing via our investigation are being also covered up. And we are also looking at this huddle at Ajit Pawar's bungalow, where we are also expecting that the Commissioner of Police will also be going, because right now we are since 7 a.m. at the Commissioner of Police office and he is missing in action. The Commissioner of Police has not yet arrived at the office since morning. We are looking at the JCPs and the PI and the DCP as well, level cops who have arrived at the Commissioner of Police office, but as of now the CP is not here. He was expected to arrive at around 10:30 a.m. but till now he has not arrived here. But we are expecting that there will be a meeting that will take place between Ajit Pawar and the Commissioner of Police Amitesh as well. But we also have to understand as to what this meeting will entail, because from the very beginning, Niranjan, we have been looking at Ajit Pawar's correspondence with the Commissioner of Police, and so much so that the Deputy Chief Minister has come out and accepted that there were phone calls that went on to the Commissioner of Police's office, and that he was in fact making sure that there is no political pressure in this entire investigation. However, it seems as though that political pressure had come straight from him itself, because we are looking at the number of calls that had transpired between the Deputy Chief Minister and the Commissioner of Police here in Pune. And thereafter, we are looking at the eyewitnesses placing Sunil Tingre inside of the Yerwada police station on the intervening night of 18th and 19th and the wee hours of 19th morning, when the juvenile delinquents had been taken into custody and their parents had been present there, and the growing suspicions of Sunil Tingre being there at the police station, essentially trying to broker a deal and protect the 17-year-old who had been behind the wheel of the Porsche as well. And of course, that being jointed with when we look at the facts of how the Commissioner of Police in 3 consecutive days made 3 separate statements of different statements, in fact, as to what had transpired as a series of events on the intervening night of 18th and 19th as well. And all of these lapses, Niranjan, are glaringly coming out, and it seems as though the damage control for that is going on in a huddle at Ajit Pawar's residence in Pune.
All right, let's go. Let's move on and get you the third angle now. Satya is also joining us live. Satya, Sandeep and Priyanka parked there for 2 weeks now. The third angle that we are breaking suspicion. Also growing over Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's itinerary. His official itinerary also showed his visit to Pune, but did not specify any meeting. But it's astonishing and highly suspicious to note that he met the Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar in the wee hours, 6 a.m. in the morning, a little after 6 a.m., hearing between 6 and 7 a.m. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister, he kept his itinerary open. It's very, very strange for a Deputy Chief Minister to just rush to Pune. Kept it completely vague for today. It's completely vague. He's holding secret meetings. And there is some official mention of a metro inspection. right? That's been skipped, and that's the official reason they're trying to give. But it appears that he's there as part of a damage control, complete damage control, because he feels that somewhere his party and his name personally is coming. His name personally, his party's name is being dragged in, and rightfully, because they tried to interfere openly. Now, what is only pending in this case is to know whether Ajit Pawar directly covered up for his party people, whether he made the calls directly. We know that he spoke to the police commissioner. Why is he trying to interfere? Satya Prakash shared some details of Tingre speaking. That is, the NCP MLA spoke to Ajit Pawar. Satya, why did he speak to Tingre? I mean, बातचीत तो होती रहती है. हमें पता है कि वो उनके साथ टच में है. 2 हफ्ते हो गए अभी टच में रह के ना. We know that. तो अभी क्या बातचीत है?
देखिए इस मामले में कहीं न कहीं शुरुआत में ही जब ये घटना हुई थी, जब डिप्टी सीएम अजीत पवार ने सीपी से बात किया था, उसी समय अजीत पवार ने एनसीपी एमएलए सुनील टिग्रे से भी बात किया था. लेकिन जब कल बीती रात में जब अजीत पवार पुणे फिर से आए और फिर से एनसीपी एमएलए सुनील टिग्रे से फिर से बात किया है, ये जो जानकारी मिल रही कि उनसे मुलाकात भी हुआ है, सोर्सेज से जानकारी मिल रही. मैं 2 दिन से यहाँ पे लगातार आ रहा हूँ सुनील टिग्रे घर पे, लगातार पूछने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि आखिर किस वजह से वो सामने नहीं आ रहे, अपनी बात क्यों नहीं रख रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो सवालों के घेरे हैं, जिस तरह से पुलिस स्टेशन में उन्होंने प्रेशर बनाया है, हॉस्पिटल में जिस रिकमेंड किया है, तो कहीं न कहीं हर जगह एनसीपी एमएलए सुनील टिग्रे का नाम आ रहा है. तो इसको लेकर बार बार सवाल हम पूछ रहे हैं. सुनील टिग्रे 3 दिन से गायब है, आज भी घर पे नहीं है. हमें जो बताया गया था सुनील टिग्रे के स्टाफ के द्वारा कि कहा गया था कि आज सुनील टिग्रे मीडिया के सामने आएंगे, सारी बातें रखेंगे. लेकिन जो जानकारी मिल रही कि देर शाम को अजीत पवार से बात हुआ है, इसके बाद कहीं न कहीं जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस था, जो मीडिया के सामने आने वाले थे सुनील टिग्रे, उसको पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया है. अब जो जानकारी आ रही है कि अजीत पवार इस मामले में सीपी के साथ मीटिंग करने के बाद मीडिया के सामने आएंगे और फिर बात करेंगे.